What up?
Tomorrow.
Huh?
Tomorrow.
What do you mean?
Like you're gonna say it tomorrow?
Oh, I know. Wait, what?
Sure.
I don't know. New episode, Tizime. Lily's looking for her sneakers because she's gonna supposedly go for a walk early in the morning.
I don't know where my sneakers are. Maybe they're in the basement.
Yeah, probably. Let's go down.
Where in the basement?
I don't know.
Let's have a plan.
No, we go down there and we just peek. Maybe you donated them. The pink ones?
No. I think I donated the pink ones, but I definitely have one pair.
The black and white ones you have.
Yeah.
They're in there.
No, they're not. Go look for them.
Excuse me?
Go look for them.
Excuse
Go look
me?
for them. Go find them. I want to see if they're in there.
Who
Ow!
I'm sorry, it was an accident.
Call DSS.
It was an accident.
That little
Oh, the
outside.
dot. That's
not even funny.
I know.
Okay, can you?
Oh my god, that's a real social issue.
What's it?
What up, y'all? My padre and the Shui watching the toxic news.
We don't stop now. We get up and we go to the gym with Sean.
Conmigo! Just making my post-workout shake so I can friggin' right after I get some.
But more importantly, I am making my 2 hard-boiled eggs for tomorrow for work. Usually I have, I'm over here. Usually I have a tangerine, or I have a banana. And that really fills you up. For anybody that wants a little quick breakfast, you put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and you're all good.
Just wait, can you turn around? Can you turn around? So yeah, I got the creatine, got the Formula 1, got the ignition, I got the keys to ignition, in it. Mama rolling it.
You're so close to my mouth.
I know. I'm gonna make this and go to the gym. Stop looking at the viewfinder, damn it.
Eye contact.
Engage your audience. Good morning, YouTube fam. Today is my late day. Just getting ready for work right now. Feeling a little bit sluggish, but gotta carry on. It's supposed to be nice out later. I have to get a blazer for a wedding that Lily and I are going to this weekend. Hopefully I can find a fashionable but cheap one. We'll see how that goes. I'm really tired right now. Lily is not in late today. She already went to work. So I'm just gonna get ready and get the day started. And the tree is a tree, and the tree is a tree, and the tree is a tree, and the tree is the tree, and the tree is a tree, and the tree is a tree.
This is me at my best.
When she's fed, I was like filming like the ceiling. When she's fed and bathed,
And physical
loving
today.
life. I know.
Not fun.
They never are.
It was fun to get out the way.
So we're just kind of like binging right now on like snacks, like the muffin top, ramen, tea, coffee, making some toast, some ice cream. On deck, kid.
Ice cream in the fridge?
Yeah. Well, I figured it was gonna take a little bit, and I didn't want it to be like melted by the time
Oh, it
I
really
went
is in the
upstairs.
fridge. I thought you did that by
Yeah.
accident.
No. It really is. What?
Oh. We're having some coffee and tea. Mine's decaf. Sean's calf because he's great. Oh my god. Lord help us all.
So beautiful.
Thank you. My bun. Ooh. This is rough. I'm gonna be like, what is that sodium?
Yeah.
Nasty.
It's basically salt soup with a side of salt and a side of salt powder and a side of Himalayan salt and some salt sauce.
So this is how you make
salty.
This is how you make ramen. You don't put all the. This is when you want ramen as a snack, not as actual to cure your like sickness. If you use it for that, like if you have a cold or something. So you don't put all the water in. You put minimal water when you're done boiling the ramen. Put that in first, like the pasta, and don't put the seasoning in the water. You wait, and you put the seasoning in last, and you put it on top, and then you mix it. And put a little sriracha, a little lime, little parsley flakes, little garlic, more sodium.
Gourmet ramen.
Got yourself
gourmet ramen.
Your fix for some savoriness. Because I'm a savory kind of girl, not a sweet tooth.
Yeah, we know you ain't sweet.
Oh my god, wait, where are you?
Cut. Good morning, everyone. Happy March. It is March 1st. We are officially 2 months deep into the year. We are on month number 3, 2018, baby. So you know where I'm headed? It's 4:30 in the morning. Going to the gym, gonna get a sweat in. Got a wedding this weekend to go to. Congratulations to Tim and Tanasia. It's a monsoon! Monsoon.
What's a monsoon? A tsunami?
Like, yeah, like a really bad rainstorm.
Yikes.
Yeah, the car's shaking. That? The car's shaking from the wind. It's really bad out, so I'm gonna put the camera away. So I hope everyone in the area is staying safe. Peace and love. Quick recap of last night. There is no power still. We had a bad, up in Mass, we have a bad windstorm / rain, snow, you know, typical New England craziness weather. I look like a bag of trash. I was unable to shower this morning because there's no power still. So I'm headed to the gym. I'm gonna shower there. Yeah, a piece of the fence fell down because a wheelbarrow was blown into it, and trees are down everywhere. Power's out everywhere. I hope the gym has power. They did when I went yesterday, but on my way back, the whole strip where the gym was going out, like as I was driving. It was crazy. And today, Lily, her parents, and I are all going to Connecticut for a wedding for our good friends Tim and Tanasia. Congratulations, guys. Today's the day. You deserve it. I can't wait to celebrate your holy matrimony. So let's get this thing going. So we're in Connecticut right now, getting ready for Tim and Tanasia's wedding. Congratulations again. Yes, I do. I guess we'll find out. But that's Lily blow drying her hair, and the phone. As you can see, I shaved a little close. I was hoping it would grow back by now, or be a little bit darker. But yeah, as you can see, the mop top's in full effect. Still gotta gel it. Yeah. Okay, so we're back in Massachusetts, picking up the dog. I put my vlog camera in Lily's purse last night, thinking she was going to bring it from the hotel to the wedding, but she only had a clutch on her, which, for those of you who don't know, a clutch is like a little wristlet wallet type thing, and her purse is, you know, like a over-the-shoulder bag. So I didn't vlog any of the wedding, but nonetheless, congratulations to Tim and Tanasia again. You guys deserve each other. It was a beautiful ceremony, and everything was amazing. The food, thank you for your hospitality. Thank you for having us. It was beautiful from start to finish. So congratulations again, guys. I couldn't be happier for you too. Like I said, you deserve it. Have fun on your honeymoon. Yeah, so we get to go back home to no power. Still have no power. So I don't even know how I'm gonna upload this, but I'm gonna try and figure something out. Bright side is I'm alive and it's gorgeous out. Like gorgeous. Gorgeous. So with the Jimmy Neutron here, back home, power's on obviously, so I can finally start to sort through some of this footage and get another episode up. So I guess I'll end it here by saying be grateful for what you have, obviously. Even though we lost power for a couple days, not a big deal at all compared to the other problems people have in life. So be grateful. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Appreciate it. Congratulations, Tim and Tanasia. We love you. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please do so now. And I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.